Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nida Nurfadila as the moderator from Group 1. In this video, we will explain about language and culture. The culture and language are strongly interconnected. The relation between them is debatable, and several questions pop up in the mind when we try to understand how the language and culture are linked. Do you know whether culture came first or language? What is the difference between them? Can one of them exist without the other? For a clear understanding of the relationship between language and culture, it is better to get familiar with their definitions. For this time, I'll let my friends explain it. To Ayu Fitriani, time is yours.
Thank you for the time. I will continue our material. What is culture? Culture is defined as a blend of thought patterns and characteristics of a group of people. Kebudayaan diartikan sebagai perpaduan antara pola pikir dan ciri-ciri sekelompok orang. The word culture is derived from the Latin term "colere", which means to grow something from the earth. So, when people interact with each other, they grow together, which forms their culture. Kata budaya berasal dari bahasa Latin, "colere", yang berarti menumbuhkan sesuatu dari bumi. Sehingga ketika orang-orang berinteraksi satu sama lain, mereka tumbuh bersama yang membentuk budaya mereka. Usually, the term culture is defined using external aspects, such as language, tradition, religion, art, and cuisine. But culture is something deeper than these factors. It refers to the way we think and interact with those around us. Biasanya, istilah budaya didefinisikan menggunakan aspek eksternal seperti bahasa, tradisi, agama, seni, dan masakan. Tapi budaya adalah sesuatu yang lebih dalam dari faktor-faktor ini. Ini mengacu pada cara kita berpikir dan berinteraksi dengan orang-orang di sekitar kita.
Well, the next material will be explained by Nurul Afdania. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. The next explanation about what is language. Language is the medium of communication using which we express our thoughts and ideas in interact with others. Jadi di sini pengertian bahasa merupakan media komunikasi yang digunakan untuk mengekspresikan pikiran dan ide yang kita gunakan dalam berkomunikasi dengan orang lain. Language are spoken across the globe. Some of the language are evolved from the others, while many languages are tracked back thousands of years. However, the origin of the first spoken human language is still unknown. Jadi di sini bahasa digunakan di seluruh dunia. Beberapa bahasa berevolusi dari yang lain, sementara banyak bahasa ditelusuri kembali ribuan tahun. Namun, asal mula bahasa manusia itu diucapkan pertama masih belum diketahui.
Next will be continued by Andi Febriani. Time is yours.
Okay, the next explanation about how culture is related to language. Bagaimana budaya terkait dengan bahasa. Changing in language often reflect the changing value of a culture. Perubahan bahasa sering mencerminkan perubahan nilai budaya. Language and culture are interlinked, and you cannot learn one of these without having a clear understanding of the other. According to the Encyclopedia Britannica, language is a link to all the human life aspect in society. An understanding of the surrounding culture plays an important role in learning a language. Moreover, language allows the organization and evolution of culture values. Jadi, bahasa dan budaya saling terkait, dan Anda tidak dapat mempelajari salah satunya tanpa memiliki pemahaman yang jelas tentang yang lain. Menurut Ensiklopedia Britannica, bahasa terkait dengan semua aspek kehidupan manusia dalam bermasyarakat, dan pemahaman tentang budaya sekitarnya memainkan peran penting dalam mempelajari bahasa. Selain itu, bahasa memungkinkan organisasi dan evolusi nilai-nilai budaya.
The next will be explained by Anissa Ria Utami. Time is yours.
Okay, I will explain about language is needed for effective expression and transmission of culture. Bahasa dibutuhkan untuk ekspresi dan transmisi budaya yang efektif. Culture impacts our core traditions, values, and the way we interact with others in society. On the other hand, language makes those interaction easy. Simply, language facilitates social interaction, while culture helps us to learn how to behave and interact with others. Jadi, budaya memengaruhi tradisi inti kita, nilai-nilai, dan cara kita berinteraksi dengan orang lain dalam masyarakat. Di sisi lain, bahasa membuat interaksi itu mudah. Sederhananya, bahasa memfasilitasi interaksi sosial, sementara budaya membantu kita belajar bagaimana berperilaku dan berinteraksi dengan orang lain. Language or culture, which came first? Bahasa atau budaya? Yang mana yang duluan? Language is an integral part required for the establishment of culture. Bahasa merupakan bagian integral yang diperlukan untuk pembentukan budaya. Communication is the basic human need. From the start, human beings are communicating and interacting with each other in different ways. Thus, for obvious reasons, the language came first. Komunikasi merupakan kebutuhan dasar manusia. Sejak awal, manusia berkomunikasi dan berinteraksi satu sama lain dengan cara yang berbeda. Jadi, untuk alasan yang jelas, bahasa datang lebih dulu daripada budaya.
Well, thank you. Next will be explained by myself. The evolution of language and culture. Do you know what is common between language and culture? Both are continuously changing. Keduanya terus berubah. For instance, misalnya, the English language that we use today is very different from the Old English. Similarly, you can identify several differences between the old Western culture and the new one. Misalnya, bahasa Inggris yang kita gunakan saat ini jauh berbeda dengan bahasa Inggris kuno. Demikian pula, kita dapat mengidentifikasi beberapa perbedaan antara budaya Barat Lama dan budaya baru. For addition, if we want to learn a foreign language, we should learn about culture first. Jika kita ingin mempelajari sebuah bahasa baru, kita harus belajar budayanya terlebih dahulu. The more you know about the culture background of a language, the faster you can learn that language. If you aspire to learn any foreign language, remember that understanding culture is going to be an integral part of your learning journey. For learning any language, it is essentially important to know about the culture of the people who speak that language. To cut a long story short, language and culture are inseparable. So the point is, bahasa dan budaya itu tidak dapat dipisahkan. Well, I think that's all from us about the explanation, language, and culture.
Okay, that's all our presentation about language and culture. For the conclusion, I give to my friend. Okay, language is a system of speech, manual or written symbol that humans use to communicate.
And then culture is a group of people's characteristics and patterns of behaviors define their culture. Language, art, and custom are the basic culture in this world.
And the relation between language and culture are interlinked, and you cannot learn one of these without having a clear understanding of the others.
Well, that's all from us. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it can give us benefit. And the last word we say, wassalamualaikum.